Top 5 Amazon KDP niches, episode 13. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, as usual, we'll continue with the 13th episode of Amazon KDP niches. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Before we get into the niches, I just want to quickly make an announcement. At the end of this video, we're going to release the names of those who won a Alex Swiss giveaway. So if you'd like to know who won, stick around to the end. And also, in these niches, I'm going to be revealing the keywords that you can use together with the niches. This will make it easier for you to get the right keywords because I know that not everyone has access to these tools that I use. And these tools I'm talking about, the first one is the KDP Spy tool, and the second one is Publisher Rocket. So someone actually contacted me. So thank you for contacting me, letting me know that not everyone has these tools, but would like to know the keywords that they can use together with these niches. So I heard you, and I've made these keywords available to you. So with that being said, let's move into the first niche. First niche for today is a skydiving logbook. So this niche I found using Creative Fabrica, which is the way I use to get all my niches. So this niche is only 126 results on Amazon. Scrolling down, you can see that this niche is already selling. Look at the books here, price $7.99, $6.99, and the rest. All of them are selling. They have BSR. This one already has reviews, 70 reviews. So you can imagine the niche is booming, and it's just 126 results on Amazon. You should definitely take advantage of this niche because I'm not sure how long it's gonna remain at 126 results. More people are gonna be publishing, and you should be one of them. So I found an interior for you on Creative Fabrica skydiving logbook. 6 people have added it to favorites. It's available in PDF, InDesign, and PowerPoint for you to edit any way you want. It's also available in 6 by 9 inches and 100 pages. It is $3.99, but as usual, you can get access to all the interiors on Creative Fabrica for $19 per month. I think it's the best plan if you're gonna be using these interiors I'm gonna be showing you right here on my channel. So moving on to the next niche. Before we move on to the next niche, we need to look at the keywords. So our first niche was the skydiving logbook. Here are the keywords I found for you. I'm just gonna scroll. So that you can, I don't know what you're gonna do, screen grab it or take a look at it and write it. So here are the keywords that you can use for the skydiving logbook. Moving on to the next niche. Niche number 2 is donation logbook. This niche has only 243 results on Amazon. Scrolling down, you can take a look at examples of donation logbooks which are doing absolutely well. This one is priced at $7.99, already has 5 reviews. This one priced at $5.99 has already sold, as you can see from the BSR. And going to Creative Fabrica, here is an interior I found for you. It's $2.99 and it's 120 pages, 8.5 by 11 inches, and also available in PDF, InDesign, and PowerPoint. That means you can edit it if you want. And going back to Publisher Rocket donation logbook, there you are. Here are the keywords that Publisher Rocket pulled. And moving on to the third niche of the day is Coffee Tasting Journal. Coffee Tasting Journal has 294 results on Amazon. And here are the top books: Coffee Logbook, 100 cups of coffee. So this one priced $7.99, has 7 reviews. This one priced $6.99, 3 reviews, and this other one priced $8.97, 4 reviews. So you can see that the niche is doing well. So if you want to take advantage of this niche, I think is the best thing you need to do is to get right into it as soon as possible. As you can see right now, nobody's advertising. Nobody is advertising. So if you want to learn on this first page, I will advise you to advertise so that you can grab the traffic going into these books. And also, you should make sure your cover is great. You should have a great cover, or even better than this one. Look at this one, is just basic. It's just blue, navy blue background with white text, coffee log book, and look at it. It's doing absolutely well. Price $6.99, and people are buying it. It already has 3 reviews. So I think we can absolutely do better than these books right here and sponsor it and grab all the sales. All right, moving on to the interior we found on Creative Fabrica is a KDP coffee tasting journal, and it's $4.99, available in PDF, InDesign, PowerPoint. Look at this, 16 people have added this to favorite, and it's available as a 6 by 9 inches, 400 pages. And yeah, sometimes I take advantage of this uh, description that is here on Creative Fabrica. Yeah, you can use this description. It says these coffee journals belong to what you get, name of the coffee, brand, beverage type, color, flavor, final rating, and all the like. So someone will actually know what they are purchasing. I think this is actually great. So going to Publisher Rocket, let's take a look at the keywords for coffee tasting journal. Yeah, the keywords are actually many. I really have to scroll for long. So here are the keywords. If you're screenshotting it, if you're taking note of it, I hope I'm not scrolling too fast. So something like 33 books, please don't use this keyword. So you should really be mindful of what you add as a keyword. Some of them are not related to the keyword in question, like this 33 books. Just take it off. Anything that looks weird as a keyword, please just take it off. And also remove keywords that says coffee tasting set, because we're dealing with books here. You don't have to put anything related to set. And besides, we're publishing on KDP, and KDP produces just a single book. Your book is not in a set. If you're drop shipping or if you're selling custom books that you put in a set, that is okay. But right now we're using KDP, and you don't have to include a keyword like set in it. So just be mindful of the keywords you use. Moving on to the fourth niche of the day is bird watching logbook. So apparently some people like watching birds. They use it as a hobby. It's their hobby, and they like taking notes of the birds that they watch, something like that. And I found 506 results on Amazon. And here are the top books that are selling. This one first. This one is actually beautiful. It's a bird, several colors, and it says bird watching logbook. Actually, this one hasn't sold yet, but these ones have sold. All right, this one is not a KDP book. This one looks like a textbook or something. But this one right here, bird watching logbook, has sold at $8.95. Here's a BSR. So this niche is people are actually buying from this niche. So and it's only what, 506 results? Yeah, 506 results. And here's an interior form for you on Creative Fabrica. It's a bird watching log book, 299, 6 by 9 inches, 120 pages, available as PDF, InDesign, and PowerPoint, enabled for you to edit. And here are what it includes. So let's go to Publisher Rocket and see the keywords that we can grab from this. So it's a bird. Is it a bird watching? Yes, the bird watching logbook right here. All right, I'm just gonna scroll as usual, screen grab it, copy it, write it, whatever you want to do, or even pause the video. It's up to you, but I'm not gonna scroll fast, so I can enable you to pause. So if there's anything you want me to do, you want me to make a video of, is any request, just leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you on that. All right, moving on to our last niche of the day is the pool maintenance logbook. This one has 885 results, and it seems like all the niches I choose for you, all of them are less than 1,000 results for this video. Wow, that's awesome. All right, moving on, 885 results. Here are the top books. All these books here have sold. Look at their BSR. All of them are sold. And this one actually is being sponsored. This doesn't look like a KDP book. Let's see. Complete pool manual for one. All right, this is not KDP. This one right here is KDP, this one right is KDP, this is what we're focusing on, but they too have been selling and all of them are sponsored. So you see, this is a great niche. Well, you see a lot of sponsored posts. That means people are actually fighting for that niche. That's an indicator that it's a great niche that you should sponsor your products on. Even if they are not sponsored, even if they are not sponsored posts, you should still advertise your book. This gives you the best possibility for you to grab sales if anyone wants to buy at that moment. It gives you the upper hand. So let's move on over to Creative Fabrica and see what they have for us. So this book or this interior was found, pool maintenance book, and 11 people have added this to favorites. It includes 120 pages, 6 by 9 PDF, InDesign, and PowerPoint as usual as the other ones. And I don't know why this time around they're not including covers in these interiors. For a while now, I've not been seeing covers. If they include the covers, it would have been good for everyone, but notwithstanding, we have got the interior. That is what matters. We can create our covers by ourselves, and I'll show you how to do that in the past. Just watch my previous videos to learn how to do that. Okay, so it's the pool maintenance logbook, and here are the keywords you can use. I'm just gonna scroll. The keywords are not too many, so there you have it. Okay, we're moving on to the second section of this video, which is revealing those who won our last week's giveaway. So congratulations to James Garcia and Lucas Smith for winning our last week's giveaway. I'm going to contact you to claim your prize. So as usual, there's a link in the description to our next week's giveaway. If you'd like to be considered as a winner, click on that link and enter that giveaway. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.